Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Arfat, and we have to discuss 10 top most important MCQs of Parabola second year. Here, now come to the first MCQs here. If eccentricity it is equals to 1, then the conic is called parabola. We have three possibilities here. If E is equals to 1, then it is called parabola. If E is less than 1, then it is called ellipse, and the eccentricity is greater than 1, then it is called the hyperbola. So here the eccentricity is 1, that means the conic will be parabola. The length of the latest rectum of a parabola is 4a. Always remember, dear students, the length of the latest rectum of a parabola, it is 4a. The length of the latest rectum of this parabola here, so here if we have to see this, x square equals to minus 28y, 4 minus 7y, and we know that 4a is the latest rectum, so 4 7s are 28, so the 28 will be the latest rectum of the parabola x square equals to minus 28y. Now here the equation of parabola when focus is 3, 0 and the vertex at 0, 0. The focus here A is given here. So the equation of parabola here 3, 0 means it is along x-axis. So y square equals to 4ax. So y square equals to 4. A means 3, so that is the 12x. So y square equals to 12x along x-axis. The equation of parabola, that will be equals to D option is correct in the fourth MCQs here. Now here the length of the latest rectum of the parabola x minus 1 to the whole square, it is equals to minus 8 plus 4 y plus 4. If we have to write down the equation in standard form here, so this is x minus h to the whole square equals to 4a y minus k. So here 4 minus 2, so the value of a here in this situation is 2. So the length of the latest rectum is 4a, so 4 multiplied by 2, we will not consider the negative sign because we are going to consider the distance here, length here. So 4 2s are 8. So the length of the latest rectum of MCQ's fifth, the correct answer is D, that is the 8th part. Now here the equation of ax square plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 represents a parabola if a is equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. So a is equal to 0 means this component becomes 0. So this is y square with y plus 2gx plus c. Then it will be represents the equation of parabola when a is 0 and b it is not equal to 0. Then it represents the parabola. So the a and of the MCQ 6 of the a part is the correct here. Now come to the 7th MCQs, x minus h to the whole square. Now come to the 7th MCQs, that is x minus h to the whole square equals to 4a y minus k is, so y here linear, so this represents the along y-axis. So this parabola is along y-axis. We have to consider the linear part of the component here. So x y power 1, y having the power 1, that means it is along y-axis. Now again y square equals to 4ax, the equation of directrix in this situation here, so x is equals to minus a. So it will be equation of directrix, x is equals to minus a. Now come to the 9th MCQs here. The vertex of this parabola is, so we have the standard form of the parabola here, that is x minus h to the whole square equals to 4a y minus k to the power 1 minus k. So in this situation here, So h is it is equals to 1. So if we have to write down this, so this is x minus 1 to the whole square, 4a y minus k. So h it is equals to 1 and k it is equals to minus 2. So the vertex is 1 comma minus 2. The a part of this ninth MCQs is correct. Now again here x minus h to the whole square equals to 4a y minus k. It is along y-axis, so the b part is correct. Dear students, thank you so much. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Rafat. Thank you so much. Allah.